then and it's a ghost I still remember. You can get addicted to a certain kind of memory. Midnight ghost, midnight ghost. Now you're just a midnight ghost. Now and then I think of all the ways you walked away, but had me believing we were building something real. But I don't wanna live that way. Reading into every word you say. You said that we could let it fade and I wouldn't get you stuck on someone from before. But you didn't have to burn it all, like it never mattered and we were strangers. And I don't even need the past, but you treat me like a stranger, and that cuts so deep. Midnight ghost, midnight ghost. Now you're just a midnight ghost. Midnight ghost. Midnight ghost.